Hi, I'm Todd Langwell, the Flying Furniture Guy from R&D Wood Shop in Scotia, New York. Today I want to show you how to fix splitting wood. Okay, you can see I've got a plank of wood here that I'm going to use for a repair, and it's starting to check right down the side here. Now if we don't stop this check, it could continue down the whole length of the board. So the best way to take care of this wood that's splitting from the check at the end is to cut it with a radial arm saw or a skill saw or something else of that nature. But you want to cut it at least an inch or two past the crack to save the rest of the board. When you're using a saw of this nature, you should have ear protection. If you do have a dust collector, that would be great as well. So go ahead and put these on. You can see that we've completely cut the check or the split right out of the end, which is what you want to do. You want to go about an inch past that, and the reason is that this board will always break in that spot, and that's part of the problem. You can see here. There's just a bad check, a dried out spot in there, and that's always going to be there if you don't take care of it. So maybe we can save this for some other type of repair, but in order to use the whole rest of this plank, we needed to get that out of there. And that's it. So I'm Todd Langwell, the Flying Furniture Guy from R&D Wood Shop in Scotia, New York, and this was how to fix a splitting wood.